Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Guys, I'm here in Dubai and I was just observing, people around me. So this is a place where I find tourists from all nationalities, from every part of the globe practically people are here. So just came up to my mind when I was seeing all the parents and with the kids around, and specifically to be specific, Asians. I saw a lot of them. Once we come out of the house, it's only then out of the peer pressure that we see our kids doing certain things around, and then we immediately shout at them, and we just don't want them to do anything and behave in a certain format. My dear parents, all of a sudden overnight the child's behavior cannot change. If you have to make that change in your child's behavior, that learning has to begin at home and not within a day or overnight. It is a process. Anything cannot be taught to your child within seconds just because you're seeing the other kids behave very well and not shouting and all of that. Suddenly you can't expect your child to behave like that, right? Because when at home he's screeching, shouting, jumping all over the place and messing things around, you don't tell him or her anything. So how do you expect the child to understand automatically? You are having that peer pressure of people seeing you and making faces at you or laughing at you because of your child. But he or she doesn't know, right? For him or her, it's her normal behavior. That's how they behave at home and that's how they're behaving outside. So it's not the child's mistake. As always I say, when it comes to kids, 99% of the times it's the parents who are at fault. If you are not teaching them certain things right from the beginning or from home, from where they have to learn, you cannot expect them to be learning something overnight and becoming a pro and behave in a certain format. Even you and I cannot do that. So please be thoughtful about this, dear parents. No point shouting at them, no point spoiling your mood more than that their mood. Sometimes you might end up doing things when you're on a holiday that are not kid centric. They might not like to go and watch the views and the beauty of the place. That might be your kind of fun, may not be their kind of fun. So somewhere when you go on a holiday, I would suggest when you're going with your kids, differentiate. Try and have a day off for them, something that they have to do where they'll like, they'll enjoy, so that they'll trouble you lesser, and a day where you will have and you will enjoy. Do give it a thought and you can make your holidays a little more merrier and happier. And being the New Year time, wishing you all a happy holiday season and a fantastic New Year ahead. Please let me know how you enjoyed the video and how you enjoyed the view. I am at the Palm Jumeirah and it's me, Neha, signing off. Bye-bye.